10th chapter, Properties of Triangles. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, Part 6. Last part completed. 4 marks problems in Properties of Triangle completed. Today class explained 7 marks problem. Sometimes this problem coming to the 4 marks. Very important problems. What is the first problem? If sin theta equal to a by b plus c, then show that cos theta equal to 2 into square root of bc whole by b plus c into cos a by b. First of all, what is the given? Cos sin theta is given that sin theta equal to a by b plus c. What is the first identity, students? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then, what is the value of cos square theta? Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. You can write 1 minus. What is the value of sin theta? Sin theta value is a by b plus c whole square. You can write 1 minus a square by b plus c whole square. After that, take LCM. LCM is b plus c whole square. You can write b plus c whole square minus a square. Here this total is here, this one is b, a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b minus b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a plus b into a minus b. A value is b plus c, b value is a whole by b plus c whole square. Understood? This total value is what here? Cos square t value. Here cos square theta value is b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a by b plus c whole square. See students, here perimeter of the triangle a 2s equal to a plus b plus c formula is there. In this formula, you can write b plus c equal to 2s minus a. Understood or not? Cos square theta is equal to here b plus c plus a nothing but a plus b plus c value what here? 2s into b plus c value is 2s minus a whole by b plus c whole square. Correct or not, students? Understood or not? Here b plus c plus a value is 2s, b plus c value 2s minus a. You can write this one is cos square theta equal to 2s into 2s minus a. You can write 2s minus 2a whole by b plus c whole square. After that, cos square theta equal to 2s in this 2 term 2 common s minus a whole by b plus c whole square. Here 2 2s are, you get like 4. You get cos square theta equal to 4 into s minus a by b plus c whole square. Then cos theta what? Cos theta equal to square root of 4 into s minus a by b plus c whole square. Here see students, cos theta equal to square root of 4 by b plus c whole square. You can write separately. Square root of s into s minus a by 1 is separated. You can write 4 by b plus c whole square, one term. S into s minus a, one other term. S into s minus a, denominator no one is there. That's why you can write 1. Here cos a by 2 formula is there, students. Square root of s into s minus a by bc. This is the formula of cos a by 2. Half of angle formula explained starting class. In this formula, square root is there, s into s minus a is there, by bc is there, not there. That's why multiplying and divided into bc. Cos theta equal to this contains as square root of 4 by square root of b plus c whole square into square root of s into s minus a whole by, here denominator having bc, multiplying and dividing with bc. Understood or not? bc get cancelled, remaining same answer. Square root of 4 value how much? Square root of 4 value is 2 by square root of b plus c whole square. Square root get cancelled, you get b plus c into square root of. You can write separated. This is the one term, this is the another term. You can write what here? Square root of s into s minus a by bc into square root of bc. What is the value of this one? Square root of s into s minus a by bc value is what here? Cos a by 2. That's why you can write cos theta equal to 2 into square root of bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. This is the value of cos theta. Correct or not, students? Cos theta equal to 2 into square root of BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. Here sin theta is given. You can convert it to cos theta in this way by using first identity. This problem is very important. Repeated problem in IP examination, students. This problem you can practice perfect. Next problem is, this is also a similar problem of previous problem. If A is equal to B minus C whole into secant theta, prove that tan theta is equal to 2 into square root of BC by B minus C into sin A by 2. See students, here what is the here? Here A is equal to B minus C into secant theta is given. Here what is the value of secant theta? Secant theta is equal to A by B minus C. Here you can find the tan theta by using secant theta. What is the relation between secant and tan? Second identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Just to interchange this two. You know that secant theta value, you can write secant theta. Tan square theta equal to secant theta value, what means A by B minus C whole square minus 1. Secant theta value A by B minus C. Secant square anything of whole square. After that, tan square theta is equal to, you can write A square by B minus C whole square minus 1 by 1. After that, we have to take LCM. What is the LCM? B minus C whole square is the LCM. Here A square minus of B minus C whole square. Here B minus C whole square, one LCM is B minus C whole square. A square minus of B minus C whole square. Here this total is B. This one is B. A square minus B square. What is that formula? A plus B into A minus B. That's why I write A plus B value is B minus C into A minus B value is B minus C over by B minus C whole square. Understood or not? Understood or not? Here A value is A, B value is B minus C. A plus B into A minus B. After that you can write A plus B minus C. This can be written as A minus B minus into minus plus C. A plus C minus B over by B minus C whole square. You know that the perimeter of the triangle 2S. 2S equal to what is the formula? A plus B plus C. This is the perimeter of the triangle. In this formula, you can write A plus B value what is? A plus B value is 2S minus C. Similarly, A plus C value? A plus C value is 2S minus B. You can write these two values in this equation. You get what? Tan square theta equal to A plus B value is 2S minus C. Already minus C is there. Similarly, A plus C value 2S minus B. Already minus B is there. Over by B minus C whole square. Tan square theta equal to 2S minus C you can write minus 2C. 2S minus B you can write minus 2B over by B minus C whole square. Here tan square theta equal to, in this two term 2 common, in this two term 2 common, 2 into S minus C into 2 into S minus B all by B minus C whole square. This can be as tan square theta equal to 4 into S minus B into S minus C by B minus C whole square 2 to the 4 power. After that, tan theta what? Tan theta equal to square root of 4 into S minus B into S minus C by B minus C whole square. Here square root of 4 and B minus C whole square, you can write one term, remaining another term. You can write tan theta equal to what, friends? Square root of 4 by B minus C whole square is the one term into square root of S minus B into S minus C another term, you can write by 1. Here you know that half of the angle sin A by 2 formula. What is the formula of sin A by 2? Sin A by 2 equal to square root of S minus B into S minus C by BC. This is the formula of sin A by 2. In this formula, square root of S minus B into S minus C is there, but by BC is not there. That's why this term multiplying and dividing into BC. That's why you can write tan theta equal to, here you can separate it, square root of 4 by square root of B minus C whole square into square root of S minus B into S minus C, multiplying and dividing into BC. Here tan theta equal to square root of 4 value is 2. 4 by square root of square root get cancelled, you get B minus C into square root of S minus B into S minus C by BC into square root of BC. This is the one term, this is the other term. Square root of A into B, you can write square root of A into square root of B. After that, 2 into square root of BC, you can write what shapes? 2 into square root of BC by B minus C. This total value is what? Square root of S minus B into S minus C by BC value is sin A by 2. This is the tan theta value. Correct answer? Tan theta equal to 2 into square root of BC by B minus C into sin A by 2. This is the answer. Here secant is given, you can find the tan. Previous problem, sin is given, you can find the cos. Okay students, these two problems are very important. Sometimes coming to the 7 marks, sometimes coming to the 4 marks repeated problems. Today assignment problems are common problems. If A equal to B plus C into cos theta, then prove that the sin theta equal to 2 into square root of BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. This problem you can do that the first problem order, just to replace in place of sin cos, you get the answer. Yes, cos theta equal to what students? A by B plus C. Once again you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. First identity. Then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. You can write cos theta value here. After that simplify total first problem order. Just to first problem answer replace in place of sin cos, in place of cos sin. That is total answer completed. Next problem is, for any angle theta show that A cos theta is equal to B into cos of C plus theta plus C into cos of C B minus theta. Here first of all we have to take RHS part. What is that RHS part? B into cos of C plus theta plus C into cos of B minus theta. Here you can write B into cos A plus B forward. Cos A cos B plus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is the value of cos of A plus B plus C into cos of A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is the value of cos of A minus B. This is the formula of cos of A plus B. After that you can write B cos A into cos theta minus B sin C into sin theta is equal to C cos B into cos theta plus C sin B into sin theta. Here multiply C internally. After that we get here B cos C into cos theta. Here what is the value of B by the sin root? B value is 2r sin B into cos C into cos theta minus here B value is 2r sin B into sin C into sin theta plus C value is 2r sin C into cos B into cos theta plus here C value is 2r sin B into sin C into sin B into sin theta. Here which one is cancelled? First we have to 2r sin B into sin C into sin theta. 2r sin B into sin C into sin theta, both are cancelled. Here 2r sin B into cos C cos theta, 2r sin C into cos B cos theta is there. After that you can write here in these terms, here 2r sin B into cos theta into cos theta, 2r sin C into cos B, here 2r cos theta, here 2r cos theta, get common. Remaining versions 2r cos theta get common. Sin B into cos C plus cos B into sin C. Here 2r cos theta, here 2r cos sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Sin B cos C plus cos B sin C value is sin of A plus B. 2r cos theta into sin of A value is B value is C, B plus C. Sin of B plus C, you put here A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Then B plus C equal to 180 minus A. 180 minus A nothing but you can write 2r cos theta into sin of 180 minus A. Sin of 180 minus theta value is sin A. Here 2r sin A you can write 2r sin A into cos theta. You can write 2r sin A when it is A by the sine rule. Then A cos theta, this is the LHS for that. In this way you can do the second problem. This second problem shortcutly explained, you can write briefly, clearly in classwork. First problem just replace in place of sin cos, in place of cos sin.